Welcome to Chair's Kitchenomics. Mabuhay Philippines! Kumusta po kayo? Namaste India and Bagonara, Hyderabad. Today we're going to make mutton curry with pulao rice. We need 400 grams of mutton, 2 tablespoons of PERUGU, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 3 teaspoons of salt. We need to marinate the mutton in a bowl, adding chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, salt, ginger and garlic paste, and PERUGU or curd. Rub all the masalas into the meat until all the ingredients are combined. Place the mutton in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. While waiting, we can start the mutton gravy. We need 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 3 big size of chopped onions, 3 pieces of green chilies, 4 big size of chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 8 pieces of cloves, and 1 piece of cinnamon stick. In a preheated cooker, pour the cooking oil, then followed by cumin seeds, mustard seeds, onions, and green chilies. Saute the onion until it's golden brown. Once the onion is golden brown, put the chopped tomatoes, then followed by the salt, garam masalas, chili powder, turmeric powder, and coriander powder. Then mix it well. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the mutton in the cooker. Pour 1 cup of water in the cooker, mix it well before covering the lid. Turn the stove into medium flame and wait for the cooker to whistle for 5 times. After 5 whistles, turn off the stove and let the cooker cool down. Once the pressure cooker's lid is open, you can turn on the stove and continue the cooking process. Add chopped coriander leaves and let it boil for 5 more minutes. Then turn off the stove. Next, we are going to make pulao rice. We need 1 big size of finely sliced onions, 1 big size of sliced tomato, 1 tablespoon of salt, 50 grams of butter or ghee, 3 pieces of green chilies, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 10 pieces of cashew nuts, masala spices, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 1 bundle of mint leaves, 1 bundle of coriander leaves, and 3 cups of basmati rice. In a preheated vessel, pour the oil and butter or ghee. Then add the cumin seeds and masala spices, followed by the onions, green chilies, ginger and garlic paste, and sliced tomatoes. After 2 minutes, we can now add the cashew nuts, garam masala, and salt. Mix it well and then add the mint leaves and coriander leaves. We have to take note that 1 glass of basmati rice is equivalent to 2 glasses of water. After pouring the water, cover the vessel and let it boil for some time. Once the water is boiling, we can now pour the washed rice. Take note that we don't have to soak the rice. We need to cook the rice for 45 minutes. Keep it in medium flame for 20 minutes, then slowly lower the flame down and keep it for 20 to 25 minutes. Once the pulao rice is cooked, we need to wait 10 to 15 minutes before opening the lid. Hope you enjoy watching the video. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.